Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Form 1040 schedule support using IRS tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official IRS website at www.irs.gov. Once on the home page, locate the search bar positioned at the top right corner. Type Form 1040 schedule support into the search bar and hit enter. Look for results that specifically mention the Form 1040 schedule. Click on the link that directs you to the IRS's official page for Form 1040 schedules. On this page, review the available schedules to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Identify the schedule that you need to download, such as Schedule A for itemized deductions or Schedule C for business income. Click on the link provided for the specific schedule you require. This will direct you to a PDF version of the form. To download the form, find the download icon or link typically located near the top of the page. Click the download icon to initiate the download process. Your browser may prompt you to choose a location on your device to save the file. Select your preferred location and click Save. After the download completes, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Double-click the downloaded PDF to open it. Ensure that you have a PDF reader installed on your device to view the file properly. Once opened, you can either print the form or fill it out digitally if your PDF reader supports that feature. If you decide to fill it out digitally, save your changes before closing the document. Finally, keep the completed form stored securely or print it out for your records as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.